Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel for another step-by-step makeup tutorial. If today is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. God bless you. First, I'm using a face primer to prime my face. Next, I'm using Maybelline Fits Me Poreless Matte Foundation in the shade Classic Tan 335 for my face. Please don't forget to show me love, support me by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you, God bless you. Next, I'm using a concealer to light my face. Blend, blend, blend. Next, I'm using Elegant Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa to contour my cheek and contour my nose too. Blend, 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 blend. Next, I'm using a press powder to set my highlights first. Next, I'm using a setting powder to set my highlight and bake at the same time. Next, I'm using CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer to bronze my cheek and my forehead. Next, I'm cleaning up the nose contour to define it more. Dusting off the powder of my forehead and my chin. Next is brow. I'm using Davis brow pencil in the shade number 3. spray for my brows. Is it called shade or color? Take this shade. Next, I'm using a concealer to clean up my brows to define it more. I'm using the same concealer as my eyeshadow base. Concealer as eyeshadow base. Next, I'm using this eyeshadow palette from Zecca Cosmetics for my eyes. First, I'm using a light green shade for my transition as my transition color. It's my transition shade. Is it called shade or color? Transition shade. Then I'm using the brown. Next, I'm using a brown shade for my transition too. For my crease too. Then I'm using a darker brown for my outer crease and my inner crease. Next, I'm using a concealer to cut a little crease at the middle. Little crease. I want to do a hollow eye eyeshadow makeup tutorial, so use concealer to cut little crease in the middle, and I'm using this green eyeshadow shade for the middle parts, my eyelid. Next, I'm blending the edges so that there won't be any sharp line. Next, I'm using a NYX Zumbo pencil. They are NYX Milk Zumbo pencil for my waterline. Then I'm using that dark brown eyeshadow shade I use on my outer crease for my lower lash line, on the outer part and the inner part. And I'll now use the green, that's the same green eyeshadow shade I use on my eyelid for the lower part. So just the same thing I did on my eye, doing it for my lower lash line too. Next is eyeliner with a little wing. I'm using a liquid eyeliner to line my eyes. Next is mascara. Then I'm buffing off all the fallout from the eyeshadow and the powder. Away from the face. And I'm using a powder puff to blend everything together. blend the powder well. To smoothen it. Smooth the face. Next is false lashes. Next is blush. I'm using a blush palette from Cara Makeup. In a pink shade, a light pink shade. Next is highlighter time. I'm using this Younger Beauty Candid Glow highlighter in the shade Kporkish to highlight my face. I'm using the same highlighter for my tear dots, inner high tear dot area too. Next is setting spray. I'm using MAC Face Plus setting spray to set my makeup. Then mascara for my lower lash. Next is lips. I'm using this lip liner from Zara Cosmetics in the shade Bold. Lip liner shade is called Bold. Then I'm using this lipstick from MAC Cosmetics. This lipstick, what is the name of this lipstick shade? It's called Creme Cup for my lips. Then I'm adding a clear lip gloss from Absolute for my lips too. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. God bless you. Please don't forget to show me love, support me by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for supporting me. I appreciate it. I'm very grateful. Thank you so much. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye. Bye.